Once upon a time, in the heart of the vibrant jungle, there lived a mighty lion named Leo. Leo was the king of the jungle, revered and feared by all creatures. His golden mane shimmered in the sunlight, and his roar echoed across the lands. He was known for his strength, bravery, and wisdom. However, Leo was also known for his loneliness. As the ruler, he had no one to share his throne or thoughts with, and the jungle's animals were too frightened to befriend him, fearing his mighty growl. One sunny morning, while Leo was wandering near the edge of the jungle, he came across a strange noise beneath a thick bush. Curiously, he gently parted the leaves with his enormous paw and found a little cat trapped inside. The cat was a small, scruffy creature with bright green eyes and a ginger coat, meowing softly for help. Leo's heart was moved by the sight of the helpless creature. He carefully released the cat from the tangle of branches. Leo asked her kindly, "Little one, why are you here and who are you?" With her wide eyes glimmering with gratitude, the cat replied, "Thank you, mighty Leo. I am Mia, a humble wanderer from the village at the edge of the jungle." Leo found himself smiling, a rarity for the stern ruler. "Fear not, Mia. You are safe with me. Let me show you the way back." As they walked, Mia chatted incessantly, speaking about all sorts of trivial things. Days turned to weeks, and Mia's presence became a delightful alteration in Leo's lonely routine. She was a brave little cat, never daunted by Leo's vast size or his roars during his dreams. Mia would curl up against Leo's paws and purr contentedly as he spoke about his duties and his thoughts, which he had locked away for too long. One fateful day, a group of hunters entered the jungle. They brought with them loud machines and fearsome weapons. Leo, with his trusty Mia by his side, knew he had to protect his home. The other animals trembled at the approaching threat, their hides quivering and their eyes wide with terror. "Stay here, Mia," commanded Leo as he prepared to face the hunters. But the little cat furrowed her brow, a spark of determination in her green eyes. "I will come with you, Leo. You may need my sharp eyes and quick paws." Together, the lion and the cat devised a plan. Leo's roar shook the trees, frightening the hunters and causing them to hesitate. Meanwhile, Mia darted between their legs, clawing at their shoelaces and scattering their equipment around. The hunters, unnerved and disoriented, stumbled back, befuddled by the cooperation between a mighty lion and a brave little cat. Thanks to their combined efforts, the hunters retreated. As the last of them vanished into the distance, the jungle erupted in cheers, the animals finally coming out from hiding to thank their brave king and his clever companion. From that day on, Mia became an honorary member of Leo's court. As they sat together on a warm rock overlooking the jungle, Leo turned to Mia, his voice a warm, soft rumble. "You are as brave as any lion, my dear friend." Mia purred proudly, her green eyes twinkling with joy. "And you, Leo, are as kind as any cat might hope to meet."